In this video, I'll guide you through how to utilize annotations in Tableau. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting out, annotations can significantly enhance the clarity and storytelling power of your visualizations. Let's dive in and explore how you can make your dashboards more informative and engaging. First things first, head over to tableau.com. This is where you'll start your journey with annotations. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, you'll notice a section labeled Recents. This is a convenient feature that lets you quickly access your most recent projects and files. Find the project you want to work on and give it a click. This will open up your workspace so that you can start editing. Now that you're in your project, direct your attention to the Canvas section. Here's where all the magic happens, and it's where your visualization resides. Your next step is to click on the horizontal line within this canvas. This action is crucial as it sets the stage for applying annotations, which can be used to highlight key insights or explain trends in your data. With the horizontal line selected, it's time to bring up the context menu. Simply right-click on the canvas. This is a handy shortcut that brings up a suite of additional options and tools that you can use to modify and enhance your visualization. From the context menu, look for the option labeled Annotate and click on it. Annotations in Tableau are powerful tools that allow you to add context, explanations, or emphasis directly onto your visualizations. They can help you tell a more compelling story by drawing attention to particular data points or trends. Once you're in the Annotate menu, you'll see several options available to you: Mark, Point, and Area. Each of these serves a specific purpose. Choosing Mark allows you to add annotations to specific data points, which is great for highlighting anomalies or significant figures. Opting for Point lets you place an annotation anywhere on the canvas, giving you flexibility in how you present your insights. Lastly, the Area option is perfect for drawing attention to a larger section of your visualization, such as a range of data or a specific trend you want to emphasize. As you make your selections, think about the story you want to tell with your data. Annotations are not just about adding text. They're about providing clarity and enhancing the viewer's understanding. Experiment with different annotation types and placements to see what works best for your specific visualization. And there you have it. You now know how to utilize annotations in Tableau to make your data stories more engaging and informative. By incorporating annotations, you can guide your audience through your insights, highlight key information, and ensure your message is clear and impactful. Happy visualizing!